Hi everyone, it's Winston back with another origami video, and today we're going to be making another an animal origami video, not another origami, or yet another origami video. As I've just mentioned from the start, it's only the start of the video and I'm already getting tongue twisted, and we'll be making this really cute circus elephant. Look at how cute it looks. And just want to note out there to everyone, I'm not really a big supporter of circuses with animals, mainly because I just don't think animals should be performing tricks that are just so unnatural. The only type of circuses that I do go to are like acrobatic, just human acrobatic ones, which I rarely even ever do. Anyway, but yeah, just pointing that out because yeah, just wanted to mention that, and I would definitely recommend people go do research on circus elephants, because yeah, elephants should be treated nicely. Is what I want to say. But anyway, jumping straight into this video. So first of all, I need to pick out an origami paper. Actually, let's go for plain green piece of square origami paper. We're going to first be making the blitz base. To do that, we fold diagonally both ways to mark out where we want to fold the edges to the center. Yep, like so, and then open it back up, and like I said, we're going to fold each, I think I said edge, I meant corner, to the center and try and get it as even as possible. This is always so hard when all you have to follow is the center and hope it folds all somewhat as evenly as possible. Oop. So yeah, so this is the blitz base, which I think is probably one of the neatest I've ever folded, the blitz base. But yeah, so after that, what we're going to do, we're going to flip it around to the other side, and I'm just like pushing it down to make sure it's squashed down properly, because next what we're going to do is fold each of these four corners to the center. Yep, so once that's folded to the center, we're going to flip it around again, and what we're going to do now is fold all of these corners to the center as well. So now it gets difficult because it folded itself so many times, and this is obviously a bit plasticky, the paper, so it makes everything all the much more difficult than your regular origami paper. Yep. And then what are you going to do next? Flip it around the other way, and instead of folding it in the center again, which I don't think is possible to do, I'm going to grab one of these four corners and squash it down. Should be very easy to do, like so, and then we're simply going to repeat it on all four of these. So yep, let's squash all four of them down. like so. And then going with these two corners, we're going to squash them in. So just squash it back into itself, just the corners of them. Like that. And then we're going to do the same for this. Squash that in onto itself and flatten like so. Then what we're going to do is flip it round. So what we're going to do next is we're going to fold this out following the crease like so, and then also fold this out, but we're not going to fold it completely out like we did with the other side. We're going to fold it a bit to kind of form a tail, like you could see. So not all the way, like about this much. Like so. And then what we're going to do next is pull the flap out whilst we're pull this flap out whilst we're folding this whole model in half. So let's see how that's gonna go. Whoops. Try and not fold it all out. I think that is forming shape, and then what we're going to do next is simply this edge here, fold out, down like this, and then unfold it, or actually keep it down. And then what the origami says is to put a coin in here, which seems really strange to me. That didn't show you properly, but yeah, put a coin inside here, and as you tap the head, it should, like, I think just offset the balance so it goes and sits up like so. So I don't know if I have a coin bick. Oh, I think it's already sitting up because it's just so heavy, but like it's supposed to be like this. Maybe I'll film it from my phone to show how it's going to be, but like yeah, it's supposed to just sit up when you press the top there, which is so silly. But yeah, either way, it's a really cute origami. I really enjoyed making it. It's so adorable. You can probably draw I think it's the right way. Yeah, the little arms. Like so. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. You can draw actually a small eyeball on this, would actually be really cute. It's supposed to be this way. But yeah, small eyeball on this would be very cute, I think. And yeah, I keep just saying that. So yeah, like usual, thanks for watching, everyone. Write a comment down below what you thought of this origami. Like this video so I know you enjoy this type of content. Subscribe for more content like this and other stuff I'll be posting. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.